Welcome to our tutorial on how to unarchive a channel on Telegram on your PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily access and bring back an archive channel. To get started, open Telegram on your PC to access your chats and channels. Click on the option labeled Archived Chats located within the chat list or menu. This will display all the chats and channels that you have previously archived. Scroll through the list of archived chats and channels to find the specific channel you want to unarchive. Once you have located the channel you wish to bring back, right-click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the menu, select the Unarchive option. By selecting Unarchive, you will successfully restore the channel back to your main chat list, making it easily accessible once again. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently unarchive a channel on Telegram on your PC, ensuring that you can easily revisit and engage with your desired channels. Thank you for watching, and enjoy managing your archived channels with ease on Telegram.